Can a car pull a trailer without the trailer pulling on the car? Let's look at this in terms of Newton's third law. So I'm just going to say, hey, let's draw a circle here. And this circle is going to represent the car. And then we're going to draw maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll put like a little box over here. I need a little more space to put the word trailer in it. So I'm going to say, okay, let's have this somewhat arbitrary shape represent the trailer. If the car is pulling on the trailer, that would be represented. So like, I don't know, let's say I've got, something connecting the two of them. Maybe it's part of the hitch or whatever. But there is some kind of force of the car pulling on the trailer. This is kind of similar to the situation we looked at earlier with Newton's third law. Like if I said, hey, here's an object, and this object pulls on this object with a force. Newton's third law said this other object had to pull with an exactly equal and opposite force in the opposite direction. The same is going to hold true for the car and the trailer. This represents one type of interaction. Maybe, when I talk about type of interaction, that can be extended to like type of force. This might be a tension force if it's like a cable or something, although maybe it'd be something more complicated because it's not really a cable the way cars are, at least if it's legal, right? It shouldn't just be a cable. But let's say it's tension force. I could say, hey, maybe this is a tension type of interaction between the car and the trailer. That means these two forces are both thought of as tension forces, but they have to be equal magnitude, opposite direction. So that means it's impossible, because if they have to be equal magnitude, that would mean the car pulling the trailer would have to exert some force on the trailer, but the trailer would have to exert no force on the car, and therefore defying the whole equal magnitude thing. So again, the answer by Newton's third law is no, you cannot pull on something without it pulling back.